Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's August 18th, 2025, and it's about 7:30. Should have a pretty nice day. Yeah, some big clouds in the sky, mostly blue. Yeah, me and Cecil just fed, and Lisa milked Bella. We're back up at the house, and Cecil is playing with a dandelion. Well, now Cecil's back down there. Not for sure what he's doing. Gave some weeds to the goats and just keep on walking. Well, he just pulled the water dish out and then moseyed on. So I'm not for sure. I thought maybe he was going to try to fill it up with the water hose. Really liked dragging it around when I was down there. He's looking, is somebody gonna come and get me, or I'm just down here by myself? Well, now he's down there talking with Bella. He's not coming back. Well, I better go get him. I got the charger on the golf cart, so I'm taking the mower down. He's pretty quick. Yeah, I knew that you'd get his attention. Come on, let's go. Come on, get on. Hey. Yeah. Alright. We're on. See? How do you think she's driving? Yeah, drives right off the cliff. I got Cecil back up here at the house. Do a few things before I go in for the evening. I do appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time.